Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone. By fully learning this method, you can also unlock your smartphone within 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, and if you're watching this video, it means your phone has been locked and you have tried a lots of video to unlock your smartphone, but still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. The new method what I'm going to give you, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you will have to charge your smartphone at least 30%. Otherwise, you may also use your smartphone charger to use this unlocking method like this. Now, one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. Okay, so if your phone is could not unlock with the help of this video, then don't worry at all. You may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, you will have to switch off all the network of a smartphone. And for this you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate your phone's flight mode like this. After activating your phone's flight mode, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network will be switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking mode page, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed, because it's most necessary to go with the master unlocking mode page. It's most necessary to close all the background running application, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every brand service center to close all the background running application, and these type of secret codes updated within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so how will you feed this secret code? Simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this, and you will get an option of an emergency SOS option, and you will have to open your phone dialing pad. Now the secret code what I'm going to give you, you will have to feed the secret code here, star 111, then star 8563, then star 99, then hash. This is the special secret code to close the background running application. At the first time you will have to call on the secret code. You will get a pop-up of a call failed. Simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After call on the secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now your phone is ready to go with the switch to your phone to master unlocking mode page. Okay, so how will your phone switch to the master unlocking mode page? So there is a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is star hash 899 and hash. Now you can see here, after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, a new page has been appeared, and the page name is after sales page. Okay, now you will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. And when you will go with this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is, you can see here, engineers mode page. Okay, but you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. But you don't have to go with this any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Now you can see here the other option has been appeared at the end of the slide of the page. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the second number. So you will have to go with this option. At the first time when you will go with this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. Okay, again at the second time you will have to do the same. You will have to cancel here, and the third time again you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will go with this option, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button, you will get a pop-up of a wrong password. But you don't have to worry about it. If you got a pop-up of a wrong password, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password has been removed. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. So Firstly, you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So how will you check whether your phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. So simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to click on this option. So after clicking on this option, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you are facing to unlocking this method. Thank you so much.